Got day 3 breakfast with oatmeal, homemade granola, a little bit of syrup. Say we. I don't know. That's probably good.
How'd you sleep? Not good?
Not at all. Heard you snoring about 5 minutes ago. Probably the only sleep you got.
Yeah.
All right, final walk around. That we found. We'll just leave it here. I'm sure someone stashed it, so they have it when they come back. Fire's out after dumping 50 gallons of water on it. I'll start my watch too. 7:45. I thought we'd be out of here at 8:30. So I'd say we're doing pretty good on time. What time did I say we back? 12:30 to the truck? 8, 9, 10, 5 hours. I think we'll be a little sooner than that. Instead of dropping in the meadow like we were the other day, we're going around, staying on our same elevation instead of dropping, what, probably 500 feet and then going right back up again. We're just kind of going around. Yeah, terrain follow, but it's further, but you're not going down then right back up again, so we'll see how we do. Well, this would be the first creek on the map. I guess we didn't go as far as I thought. It'll be our good waypoint indicator right here, followed by another cow trail. Don't know where they're going, but we're going somewhere. Just past the first creek.
Yeah.
So we could ever so slightly go up.
Yeah.
Should I get just to see? Ah.
Yeah.
So I think we're about there. If we go about this way.
Yeah. About 290?
Yeah, so we'd be going about that way, which doesn't look too bad. Heading.
That's about what I was thinking.
And we don't need to be too accurate. Just
No, we got a
head
huge,
that general direction.
we got a huge handrail, that jeep trail.
Yeah, can't really miss it. If you miss it, you'd be going up over that.
Yeah. Geez, I hate
Huh.
It's like your compass shot.
Although I think either we're doing it now or we're doing it later going up.
Yeah. And then I've got right past that's the jeep trail.
Yeah.
We're getting. We can do this.
I think we can get it. And right now we are about at the base of Givens. The peak we were at yesterday is just a ways up the hill.
Watch your footing with the marbles on the rock.
Yeah. And there's the meadow. Dogtooth way out in the distance. You can even see the peak of the Three Sisters. Neato. Ooh. It doesn't. Don't like this part. I don't like it. There. Yeah, I just didn't want to go on the steep part of that. That's Gibbons, the peak where we were yesterday. Then you could see this section of the trail. The trail's right up there. You could see that section from the top of Gibbons. Now it's all downhill from here with the occasional bumps, but no more big climbing like we did. Good little section too.
Yeah, it is right here. That could be a challenging.
Yeah, that'd be a challenging one.
There is no go-round. A lot of rocks built up. A
Yeah,
little bit of sheet metal.
we gotta have a
Plus plastic.
little bumper or fender, something. Tailgate. I don't know. Hey, how's it going? Good. How's it going? All right. Oh. Yeah.
Just keep his momentum going, stay
Yep.
on the pegs, and just
I mean, I remember my first time on a motorcycle.
that's go ahead. And that's like you can't have it intimidate you. And
Oh, here comes his buddy. You
Now-
okay? Really? When I was searching, most of the TRDs are two-wheel drive. Well, that's it. All done. Atta.
That's what everyone
job.
says too.
Yeah, Lulu's. Atta. Atta.
All done. All done.
Because all done is this in sign language, so all done.